Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the G.Skill RipJaws V DDR4 RAM kit. So the kit I got is 3600 speed CL16, so this is pretty fast, low latency RAM. So let's pop this open. You get just this thing with some information on it. G.Skill sticker as usual, and the RAM itself. So I'll take both these out here. This has a sticker, G.Skill RipJaws V DDR4. Here's the info. This is actually made really recently, July 2020, so looks like they're getting these supply lines back up. So this RAM costed me just under $80, and I think like this model is one of the better value kits you can get out. It severely undercuts like Corsair, LPX and stuff, and it's pretty low profile. This will be going into an NZXT H1 build, which I'll be showing off in a few weeks once I actually get all the parts together. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it should be low enough. Yeah. Let's get some close-ups. So this is an aluminum heat spreader right here, going over each of the chips. It says G.Skill on top. It won't really matter since it'll be all hidden in an ITX build, but you can see the chips. Alright, yeah. So that's gonna be it for the G.Skill RipJaws V unboxing. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If it was, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.